This is a tutorial for Google Classroom. It is a guide for parents so that they can help their children as needed. Use the pause button to stop the video and practice in your child's classroom as often as needed. There are two ways to access Google Classroom. If you have a tablet or phone, you can download and use the app. On a computer, you can access Classroom by opening a web browser and going directly to the page. We will focus on this access point in this tutorial. Once you have opened a browser window, type classroom.google.com into the navigation bar, as demonstrated. It will take you to the Google Classroom dashboard where you can see all of your students' classes. If your child is not yet logged in, use their path email address and password to enter the site. Your child's teacher may have already added your child to their classrooms. In that case, you will find courses with the blue Join button. Select the button to be added to the class and enter it. At any time you are in a classroom and want to return to the dashboard, select the three lines at the top left and choose the Classes button. And back in the dashboard, if your child's teacher sent their class code, select the plus sign at the top right corner. This will give you the option of entering the class code to join their classroom. Once your child has access to all their classes, there are a few important access points in the dashboard to understand. If there are upcoming due dates for assignments in a class, they will be briefly listed under the class name. Now select the icon on the bottom left of the class square to open a list of assignments for that class. On the left side of this page, there are 4 selections. Select Assign to show you a list of all the assignments that have not been completed, both current and past due. Select an assignment to access its attachments and see the due date. Select View Details to open the assignment, allowing you to see all the details. There are 4 main sections on this page. Section 1 includes the title of the assignment, total points, directions from the teacher, and the due date and time. Section 2 is the area where you can access the attached work, or your child can create their own attachment by creating a Google Doc, slide, or uploading a picture or PDF. This is also where the Turn In button is located for when they have completed the assignment. Section 3 is a private chat box where your child can communicate directly with the teacher. Only the teacher will see these messages. Section 4 is a chat box where your child can communicate with their classmates. Everyone in the class, teachers and students, can see these messages. To return to the list of assignments, click on the back button in your browser. Now select Return to show you a list of the assignments that teachers have graded and returned to the student. You can quickly see the grade on the right side, and by selecting the assignment, you can read any feedback the teacher may have given and answers to questions the student sent. You can also select View Details to see the assignment details again. Select Missing to show you a list of all the assignments that your child has not completed and are past due. Your child should communicate with their teacher about completing late assignments, as each teacher might have a different policy. Now click on the back button in the browser to take you back to the dashboard. This time, select the class itself to open the entire classroom. The main page is called the Stream. It is used to post announcements, questions, and general information the students will need throughout the year. Upcoming due dates are listed in the box on the left. Select View All to take you to the list of assignments we've already explored. Click on the back button in the browser to take you back to the main classroom. Select the second tab, Classwork, at the top of the page to navigate to the part of the classroom where the teacher assigns every assignment. This is the page your child will need to reference the most. It contains all the details about every assignment, resources that will help your child learn and complete their work, and links to other useful apps. All assignments are organized by topic, as chosen by the teacher. The topics are listed on the left side of the screen. Select a topic to change the view to only assignments with that label. You can see all the details about the assignment, if it's missing or already returned and graded, and other pertinent information. Select all topics to return you to the original Classwork page. On this page, there is a View Your Work button where you can go to the list of assignments we've already explored. The Meet button will open an online conference with your child's teacher. This will only work during live class time and pre-scheduled one-to-one, small group or tutorial sessions. Your child's teacher will provide more information. Select the Google Calendar button to open the app. This is the easiest way for your child to stay organized. In the calendar, they will be able to see all their assignments, due dates, live sessions, and conferences for all their classes in one place. The calendar opens in another tab and to the current date. Navigate from day to day using the arrows. You can see on this day there's an assignment due at midnight. There isn't a lot to see right now because it's summer and this isn't a real student's account. For your child's schedule will get very busy once the year begins, and knowing how to help them stay organized using Google Calendar will be a blessing. If you want a different calendar view, select from the drop-down menu at the top right corner. There is a schedule view where you can see all upcoming assignments, meetings, etc. You can look at a week at a time as well as look at the entire month at a time. A list of all the calendars your child is subscribed to are found on the left side of the page. The first one is your child's own calendar where they can add personal activities and reminders. Under Other Calendars, you will find a list of the calendars for all the classes your child is enrolled in. In case you get lost, select the Today button. It will always take you back to the current date in whatever view you are in. Close the Calendar tab to return to the classroom. Now select the Class Drive folder button. This button opens the drive where all of your child's files are located. Think of this as a big binder with lots of folders, one each for each class. These folders hold all the assignment files, but is not where your child should be going to complete their work. Close the Drive tab to return to the classroom. There are two more tabs at the top of the page. The People tab will give your child access to their teachers' and classmates' emails. There is a Grades tab not shown here. It will appear after the first assignment is graded and returned. Your child's teacher will let you know details about grades and progress reports. Lastly, access different classes by using the drop-down at the top left of the screen. Select the name of the current class to go back to the stream. Select the three lines to access quick links to the calendar, a to-do list, and all your child's classrooms. Archive classes are old, previous classes, and you can access the settings for emails and other basics here as well. Now select classes at the top of the drop-down box to return to the dashboard. Well, that is everything about Google Classroom and Calendar. We hope this tutorial helps you feel more comfortable navigating your child's virtual learning environment. Feel free to reach out to your child's teacher with any questions.